Welcome back to my channel as you follow along the shed build for the rabbits. This is part 7 of the build as I continue sheathing in the interior. Now that I have half of it sheathed in, I may have gotten ahead of myself and realized that I needed to frame out the windows. I decided to cut them out first and then come back later and frame around the cutouts. To mount the window frame, I'll be reaching through the cutout to screw through the exterior sheathing and into the 2x2. I found the other way to be a bit awkward going through the window and tried a different way, going outside to get the screws ready for the framing. I probably should have done it this way to begin with. The next day was an absolute windstorm, but I went out anyways to continue the progress on my shed. Perfect. That tongue and groove shiplap. That looks nice in a lot of buildings. But this is what I had. So this is what I have to work with. These cuts, I'm not looking forward to. I don't like doing windows. Somehow, some way, I always end up messing up the measurements. So, we'll see. I mean, so far everything's fitting how it should be. I don't want to have like this much off. So, and I gotta remember what way I pull my tape for the way that I put my sheet up. So hopefully I remember factory edge down. So the factory edge is what the factory has cut with their machines and what's painted. And it makes a nice seam versus my cuts that are not straight and nice. I can even tell they're a little ooh. One of these days I'm gonna get one of those track bars. That looks like that'd be handy. So yeah. But messy edge, what I call, will be up here. Factory edge will be down here. So hopefully I can remember that when I put it up. And then of course blue side in. Okay, I'm gonna pull from this direction. I hate this marshmallow. My tape never stays where it should be. Stay. Be a good tape and just stay there. Oh, cheese and crackers. My day of not being able to get this thing to focus still. Just stay. That's all I need you to do. Just stay there. Stay there. Gosh! I got this. Come on. Come on now. $91 3/4. $91 3/4. It's so windy today. My layers on just so the wind doesn't cut through my clothes. 91 3/4 length. This should be, what did I do? Okay. This should be about 24, I guess. Yep. I'm good. The other half of this sheet here, I can use for this. I just gotta cut some length off. Alright, here comes the fun part. I have to do off of 4 1/4. 34. 34. You know, I don't know what to do. I think I'm going to do 34. 34. I don't want to do an 8th. It's just 34.5. And oh my god, that's going to be such a tight cut. Oh no, that's 1.5. $45 and an 8th. I don't like 8ths. I'd rather just do the 1/4, the 1/2, the 3/4 and be done with it. Now I gotta do, you know, an 8, 3/8, 5/8, 7/8. I don't know what to do with it. I'm having a mood today, guys. I'm so tired. I've been running around a lot this week and I just doing other things, and I feel like today's gonna be the day that I paint because it's 40, and since the wind's not in here, it's actually probably 40 degrees. So I can paint because the rest of the week's gonna be in the 20s, which means I can't paint, and all I have left to do, I guess that's not painting, is installing the windows and the door. But I'd rather have all this open ventilation so it can dry, so I won't be gassed out. I mean, I have ventilation in the roof, and I'll have ventilation if I open the door and open the windows, but this way it's a whole thing, in and out. Alright. Up, 34.5 over.